In the realm of culinary wonders, an unassuming but potent health champion resides within your kitchen. It's not the fancy gadgets or pricey superfoods that steal the spotlight. Rather, it's something far more accessible, the humble garlic clove. Yes, garlic, a staple in your kitchen, is a true health rock star. Prepare to be astonished as we delve into 6 remarkably potent health benefits of garlic that will revolutionize your perception of this kitchen essential. You might be wondering, can garlic truly be this beneficial? The resounding answer is yes. Garlic, a diminutive powerhouse, boasts a plethora of health advantages. But before we plunge into the intricacies of its benefits, let's address a characteristic that cannot go unnoticed: the distinct, pungent aroma that envelops your senses when you slice open a garlic clove or sauté it in a pan. This unmistakable scent is attributed to allicin, an organic sulfur compound. Allicin is the star of the show, the driving force behind garlic's remarkable health properties. So, the next time you encounter that pungent aroma, remember that it's not merely a culinary delight. It's the fragrance of well-being and vitality in the making. Now that we comprehend why garlic is a bona fide star, let's unveil the 6 astonishing health benefits it bestows upon us. Let's embark on our journey into the first benefit. Number 1, immunity enhancement. Can you fathom that something as simple as increasing your garlic intake can supercharge your immunity? It may sound too good to be true, but science lends credence to this claim. A captivating study involving over 41,000 women aged 55 to 69 uncovered astounding results. These women shared a common practice. They regularly incorporated garlic, along with fruits and vegetables, into their diets. The outcome? Those who consistently consumed garlic, fruits, and vegetables exhibited a jaw-dropping 35% lower risk of colon cancer. This revelation underscores the profound impact of garlic on bolstering our immune defenses. It's not just a culinary enhancement, it's a stalwart guardian against insidious diseases. Proceeding to our second remarkable health benefit, anti-inflammatory potency. Garlic, beyond its role as a kitchen staple, emerges as a formidable anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Yes, you read that correctly. It's not your typical spice. It's a natural remedy for soothing sore joints and muscles. Research has unveiled yet another facet of garlic's might, particularly in the form of garlic oil. This elixir has demonstrated remarkable efficacy as an anti-inflammatory agent. Picture this. After a taxing day, when your muscles ache and your joints throb, what do you reach for? The answer lies in garlic oil. A modest application can work wonders in alleviating inflammation, akin to having your personal all-natural pain relief remedy. Don't just take my word for it. Even the venerable Arthritis Foundation, an authority in joint health, endorses the use of garlic oil. They believe it can help forestall cartilage damage associated with arthritis. Thus, this unassuming clove extends its influence from the kitchen to your medicine cabinet, offering soothing relief to your aches and pains. Number 3, cardiovascular fortification. Believe it or not, garlic stands as a staunch ally to your heart's well-being. Recent research has unveiled exciting revelations in this regard. Garlic exerts a profoundly positive influence on your arteries and blood pressure, a testament to its profound simplicity. The scientific premise lies in the interaction between red blood cells and the sulfur compounds within garlic, yielding hydrogen sulfide gas. Fear not the term gas. It heralds favorable news. Hydrogen sulfide gas possesses the remarkable ability to dilate blood vessels. When your blood vessels relax, your body can efficiently regulate blood pressure. This is a boon for heart health, preserving the vitality of your body's most crucial muscle. However, a word of caution. While garlic's benefits are undeniable, always consult your healthcare provider before making any adjustments to your medication regimen. It's essential to tread carefully when it comes to your health. Number 4. A beauty ally. Garlic, in a twist of fate, isn't just a kitchen and medicinal asset. It's a hidden gem in your beauty regimen. Yes, you read that correctly. Garlic's potent antibacterial properties and its rich reservoir of antioxidants position it as a formidable adversary to acne-causing bacteria. It's not merely a humble clove. It could be the answer to those persistent skin blemishes. In fact, one study even suggests that applying raw garlic to pimples could aid in their eradication. Imagine a natural and straightforward solution to those vexing skin breakouts. However, a word of caution is warranted. Garlic's potent compounds may induce a burning sensation on your skin. Before embarking on this beauty journey, it's prudent to consult your dermatologist. Moving on to an intriguing facet of garlic's prowess. Number 5. Antibacterial guardian garlic not only combats bacteria, but also wages a relentless war against the malevolent microbes responsible for foodborne illnesses such as Salmonella and E. coli. Visualize garlic as a miniature microbial superhero, swooping in to vanquish these nefarious organisms. Its distinctive chemical composition serves as a virtual death sentence for these bacteria. However, a word of caution is in order. While garlic possesses this antibacterial prowess, it should not be perceived as a substitute for rigorous food hygiene practices. Proper food sanitation and safe food handling remain paramount. And now, an unexpected revelation. Number 6. Fungal antagonist. Garlic's extraordinary powers extend to combating fungal adversaries. If you've ever grappled with the discomfort of athlete's foot, you're in for a treat. The solution is remarkably simple. Immerse your feet in garlic-infused water, or, if you dare, apply raw garlic directly to your feet. Garlic's antifungal properties go to work, launching an assault on the fungus responsible for that irksome itch. Visualize a straightforward home remedy for a common yet bothersome issue, all courtesy of our robust ally, garlic. In closing, it's vital to remember that while garlic offers a cornucopia of health benefits, it should not replace professional medical guidance. If your condition fails to improve or worsens, consulting a healthcare professional is imperative. Whether you opt for raw or lightly heated garlic, rest assured that you're harnessing its health-boosting potential. Garlic tirelessly works to fortify your health, from bolstering your immunity to safeguarding your meals and even aiding in skincare. Do you have a preferred garlic-infused recipe that allows you to harness? Have you personally experienced the transformative influence of garlic on your health? We invite you to share your anecdotes in the comments below. Your stories are a source of inspiration. If you found yourself captivated by the potential of this unassuming bulb, express your appreciation by hitting the like button. Your support fuels our mission to deliver engaging and informative content. Don't keep this wealth of knowledge to yourself. Share this video with friends and family.